If you're new to editing, this is the InShot editing series you do not want to miss. You can resize your videos, add smooth transitions, animate text and stickers, and even color grade with just your phone. So let me show you how you can do all of these step by step, starting with the basics. Once you've imported your video on InShot, the first thing you want to do is press Canvas, and you'll see a bunch of aspect ratio options, so select the one you want. And if you've made a mistake in that take, don't worry, just press split to remove any unwanted footage in between. Or you can also press this plus button to add more clips and drag the edges to adjust the duration. See this little button between your clips? That is your transition tool, so you can tap it to smoothly connect to your clips with transition. And if you need a specific duration, use precut to fine-tune your timing. Now type your text and you can change the font, color, and add in and out animations. For stickers, besides animating them, you can also import custom stickers from your camera roll for that personal touch. Now that you've added text and stickers, take your edit to the next level by adding the element of sound. Tap Audio to add music, choose sound effects from InShot's library, or you can record a voiceover to bring your video to life.
This is Cookie and his buddy Max.
Now to enhance your visuals with color grading, press Filter, adjust, and tweak the options to your liking. If you want the same look across all your clips, press the double ticks to apply it to all of them. And this option works for speed, transitions, canvas, background, volume, and voice effects as well. Now once you're done editing, press Export and select the resolution, frames per second, and format you want. And just like that, your edit is ready. Follow for part 2 where we get into more features like audio, animations, and effects, and of course let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. Like and subscribe to InShot's channel for weekly editing tricks.